Today we're going to make an ice candy. Today we're going to use the ingredients like Milo, cornstarch, and then
Ibap,
iba,
condense,
and water. First, we're going to mix. We're going to mix all the ingredients. First, we need
cornstarch.
starch.
Put it on the water. Be careful. I help you.
Oh,
I help you.
and then here it's in the water. Here,
Then mix.
mix. Oh,
Yeah.
now we're going to put the condensed.
It is a 1 can of condense. Okay, put it on.
So this
Use the ano.
oh, it doesn't fit. This spoon is
Use spoon. Use a spoon. Then you're going to mix.
next time. This is magic. This will be a magic.
Then you pour the
And
ibap. 1 can of ibap.
mix. Put some Milo and here. Okay. The more is not coming out. There's a mess. I hope it looks like Oreo. This texture looks like Oreo.
Yes. I'm going to mix until it dissolve. What's this one? You mix it until it dissolved.
Low fire.
And now we're going to put it in a low fire. And continue mixing. Oh, mix. Mix mo lang, mix. One hand lang. Just one hand. Mix it. Stir it properly.
To continue stirring.
Continue stirring. Ate, Kyrie, when you cook like this, you should have a sister or brother or companion with you, ha? Kasi it's a fire. So be careful.
Be careful.
Okay. Stir it until it
Stir it.
stir it until it is cooked. And the mixture will be thick.
The The mixture is already thick, and then we're going to turn off the fire.
Now we're going to turn off the fire. May I see the mixture? This one. This thick as this one. Eesh.
Thick.
Eee. Oh, we're going now to turn off the fire.
There's
Okay?
the steam.
Oh,
The steam
already
is
turned
coming
off the
out.
fire. Now,
It's time to. What's next? Let it sit inside and let it cool.
okay, we're setting aside this one to make it cool.
The mixture is ready to put in a ice candy bag, and then we're going to use the funnel.
I help Kyrie to put it on the funnel kasi it's not easy to put it on the ice candy bag. This one, Kyrie, oh. Put it here.
And then
Then, this one I'm going to put it here. Then,
and
here. You put it. Choo!
It's
Taki!
I look.
Oh. Tapos, enough lang so that you can tie the ice candy bag.
Then
This one, you pull down, then you make it twirl like this. Then like this. Okay, Rio. No.
ta-da!
Come to ikot. Tada! Ice candy na.
Ta-da!
Tada! Wala.
And then it's time to freeze them one by one. Now it's time to freeze. One,
Kaya.
two, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
So, we put in the fridge and then we put it whole night. Then tomorrow, we'll check it. Ha? Okay?